This is the evolution of the skies. Northrop Grumman, the legendary creator of stealth aircraft and advanced drones. Let's take a look at 7 key models that changed aviation history. B-2 Spirit, the ultimate stealth bomber, revolutionizing air combat around the world. F-23 Black Widow II, a stealth prototype, a competitor to the F-22, ahead of its time. RQ-4 Global Hawk, a long-endurance reconnaissance drone capable of flying over 30 hours. X-47A Pegasus, the beginning of carrier-based stealth drones. X-47B UCAV, the next-generation drone testing carrier takeoffs and landings for the first time. RQ-180, a long-range stealth drone, a black project few have ever seen. B-21 Raider, the successor to the B-2 Spirit, the future of strategic bombers. And these are the 7 flagship creations of Northrop Grumman, from the B-2 to the B-21 Raider. Which one do you think will dominate the future of aerial warfare?